Welcome everyone to Long Beach, California. Today we are going to give you a tour of this city as we arrive on a cloudy day. So enjoy the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Even under a blanket of clouds, Long Beach has a charm that shines through. The cool breeze off the Pacific and the misty marine layer are just part of the coastal rhythm here. A calm, laid-back welcome to a city full of hidden gems. Today might be overcast, but don't let the skies fool you. Long Beach is alive with culture, creativity, and coastal beauty. Stroll the waterfront, grab a coffee from a local cafe, or explore the art galleries, boutique shops, and cozy neighborhoods that make the city special. Whether the sun is out or waiting to break through, Long Beach invites you to slow down, take it all in, and enjoy a city where the ocean meets opportunity. Welcome to Long Beach. Cloudy or clear, it's always worth exploring.
Hey everyone, today we're hanging out at Shoreline Village here in Long Beach. Such a fun spot right by the water. We're going to start off just strolling around, checking out the cute little shops. There's a mix of everything here: souvenirs, beachy clothes, cool art, even a candy store. It's a great place to wander and find something unique.
Istanbul home
Istanbul.
store. Yes. Everything we import from Turkey. Let me offer you Turkish delight. I have some YouTubers as well, so they come to shop from my store. Turkish candy.
Actual real Turkish delight?
Of course.
Ooh, say, what's in this?
It's honey,
Honey?
natural, vegan. And we have also Turkish restaurant, Turkish ice cream shop too.
Ooh.
Okay.
Here. This is my card.
Turkish ice cream.
What's your favorite color, man?
I like pink.
You know what? We can do mix and match. Follow me.
Ooh. What you got?
We do mix and match. This is Nurullah. He's the famous guy in Istanbul, Sultanahmet.
How are you?
Hi, good.
The best seller. This is 7-piece lamp, blue and pink. I can do mix and match, and I do shipping to your home.
Oh. This is nice. It's beautiful.
This is beautiful jewelry bracelet, ceramic.
No, I think they're just all together. But you like
Yes. See, it has a
clasp.
See? They just put them all together.
She likes pink. About buy one for her. Nice pink bracelet. This is dragonfly, evil eye, lucky money. This is not her soul's freedom, protection, lucky money. It's mean she get more rich, come back my store, spend more money.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So how much are these?
$1 million.
Oh my
I come back
god.
But
I
for
get
her,
rich.
$10. Now she get more rich.
Yes.
$10.
This is so cool. I don't know. You have to ask her. Really? You can put it on the registry.
Only have me.
Yeah.
This is booking.
Yes.
How about now? One nice table now.
We decided to stop for a bite at Tequila Jacks Mexican restaurant. We got lucky with a table overlooking the marina, the breeze was just right, and we could hear music playing nearby, adding to the vibe. The food came out quickly and really hit the spot. Everything tasted fresh and flavorful, and honestly, it's hard to beat that view while enjoying a meal. Prices are a little on the higher side. Our total was about $131 and change before tip for 3 people. That included 3 entrees, 2 alcoholic drinks, and a regular soda. But no complaints. The overall experience was fantastic and totally worth it. After lunch, we head over to the marina for a leisurely stroll along the waterfront. And there you have it, folks. A full-size pirate ship. What a beauty. At the time we filmed this video, the ship was closed to the public for interior tours and cruises. But the good news is, it'll be open soon. Now it's time to board the Spirit ship and set sail on a scenic cruise through the beautiful Long Beach harbor. Get comfortable, sit back, relax, and let yourself enjoy the sights and sounds as we take you on this unforgettable journey. Enjoy the video. And here, on my left-hand side, is the lighthouse in Long Beach. It's called the Lions Lighthouse for Sight. It's located at the tip of Shoreline Park, marking the entrance to Rainbow Harbor. While it's a decorative structure and not a functional navigation aid, it serves as a symbol of the Long Beach Lions Club commitment to helping those with impaired vision. And now we are approaching one of the most iconic and storied ships in maritime history, the RMS Queen Mary. Now permanently docked in Long Beach, California, the Queen Mary is a stunning example of 20th century engineering, luxury, and wartime service. Commissioned in 1936, she was once the grandest ocean liner to cross the Atlantic, carrying celebrities, royalty, and dignitaries in opulent style. With Art Deco interiors, sweeping decks, and majestic ballrooms, she was known as the Grey Ghost during World War II when she served as a troop transport ship. Today, the Queen Mary stands as a floating museum and hotel, offering visitors a unique chance to walk her historic decks, dine in her elegant restaurants, and explore exhibits that bring her past to life. From ghost tours and engine room visits to stories of Hollywood glamour and heroic wartime voyages, the Queen Mary is a place where history lives on. Whether you're admiring her from the water or planning a visit on board, the Queen Mary is a true maritime treasure, a proud symbol of Long Beach's nautical legacy. As we continue our journey through Long Beach Harbor, we're surrounded by a rich and dynamic landscape. To one side, the towering cranes and bustling docks of one of the busiest ports in the world highlight Long Beach's role in global trade. The city's skyline rises in the distance, blending modern architecture with the laid-back charm of the Southern California coast. Just ahead, the historic Queen Mary rests in quiet grandeur, a majestic reminder of a golden age of ocean travel. Nearby, the distinctive geodesic dome of the Carnival Cruise Line terminal stands out. Once home to Howard Hughes' Spruce Goose, it now welcomes thousands of passengers setting sail for new adventures. Around us, cargo ships, sailboats, and hovercraft move through the water, bringing to life a harbor that is as steeped in history as it is alive with activity today. Thank you for joining us on this scenic cruise. We hope you've enjoyed the views, the stories, and the sea breeze. Until next time, safe travels and smooth sailing. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, activating the notification bell, so you can be the first one to know when I upload new content. Thanks for watching.